Hey everybody, Scott with Shocker Hitch, and boy, do we have quite the smooth towing solution for you. You can turn this beaut into this. This is our patented Shocker Gooseneck Surge air system. So it has a built-in airbag that absorbs the bucking and chucking. It's also got our patented shift lock coupler. It's the only coupler on the market that captures both sides of the bowl. How it works is, let me show you. As you can see, it works pretty slick. You got this nice shifter handle, and you just literally move it forward and pin it, and then when you want to unhook, you move it back and pin it, and you're golden. The nice thing about this is that it's easier on your equipment, on you, your cargo. In addition, great for animals, particularly if you're towing livestock or horses. Gooseneck towing is feels a little bit like getting tugged around the waist compared to fifth wheel towing, for example, kind of feels like you're getting tugged around the neck. So obviously tugged around the waist is a little better. And of course, what our shock absorbing system does is it absorbs that chucking and bucking, and you can dial in for the weight you're towing. If you're empty, you'll reduce the air. If you're fully loaded, you're going to increase the air. And ultimately, a lot of our customers claim that you get better fuel mileage because it's not downshifting as much. Check it out on our website at shockerhitch.com.